Next question is means question number third. Simplify. In the first and second question separately you solve add and subtraction of the numbers. But now here is mixing. You see that is why simplify. Simplify means mixing of plus and minus. So we have to grouping them in equal order and we have to solve them. Okay. And one thing you know, same sign add and the opposite sign subtract. So you can see the first number and the third number are all in positive sign because there is first number there is no sign means it is positive and there is plus sign so it is also positive. So first and third we will group in separate and second and fourth we will group separate and then after we add them and subtract with the last one. Okay. So look at here. We will group 17.628 plus 4.186. Then we will write minus 9.168 minus 2.912. Now add this one and add this one. Okay. 8 and 6, 14, carry 1, 2 and 3, 3, 8, 11, carry 1, 6, 1, 7, 7, 1, 8, point. 7, 4, 11, carry 1, 1, 1, 2. And here both are in minus, so they will add, but the sign of minus will come. Okay. So 8, 2, 10, 0, carry 1, 6, 1, 7, 7, 1, 8, 1, 9, 10, 0, carry 1, point, 9, 1, 10, 10 to 12. Okay. So now you can subtract them by writing like this 1821.814 upon 12.080. 4 minus 0, 4. 11 minus 8, 3. 7 minus 0, 7. 11 minus 2, 9 and here 0. So our answer is 9.734. Okay. Like that you can solve other questions also. Okay. Now one more question I am doing for you related to simplification. Be careful and understand nicely. Okay. The question is C. 15.178 178 minus 14.368 sorry 6382 6382 minus 19.416 and plus 30. Okay. So in the same process, the first number and the last number is in positive and second and third is negative. So we will add first and fourth and add second and third. Then after subtract from first to plus to minus. Okay. So group the 30 with the first number. 30 and look at here there is 3 point of 3 places after decimal. So we will add 30 after decimal and plus 15.178 minus 14.6382 minus 19.416. Yes, 4 digits. So we will add 10 here also. Now add 871.05531 and here minus 20286 for 8 and 6 14 before carry 1 314 41 5 6 4 10 0 carry 1 9 1 10 10 4 14 before carry 1 1 1 2 2 1 3 end point here. Okay. Now subtract 45.178 and 34.0542. 10 we can increase and subtract. 10 में से 2 8, 7 minus 4 3, 7 minus 5 2, 1 minus 0 1, 5 minus 4 1, 4 minus 3 1. So this is your simplified answer. Understand? Exercise 2.5, and now we are going to find the product of the numbers. So the first question is 3 point, question number है F, 3.718 multiplied by 100 means multiplying by 10, 100, 1000, 10,000. And in this type of question, we don't have to solve anything. Just to shift the decimal in right side. Shift the decimal in right side according to 0. There is 2 0. So we will not do anything. We will just shift the decimal to right side 2 places. Okay. We have to write like this 3.3718 and decimal 2 digit shift हो गया 1 and 2. So we will put the decimal here. Okay. Not to do anything, just to shift the decimal only. This is your answer. Understand? And you can say why. So we can solve. Suppose that we will multiply to what will come 3718 and 20. So decimal will 1 2 3 1 2 3. Here we will put na. But after that last 0 is not valued. Okay. So we will remove that. So one thing is important. Just to remember, shift the decimal in the right side according to 0. How many zeros you have? You just shift the decimal in that side. Suppose that we take the example of C. 0.06 multiplied by 10. So not to do. There is 1 0, so shift the decimal one place. So 0.6 multiplied. Our answer is only 0.6. Okay, because we shift the decimal in one place. Next is these are the question number first and now question number second. Multiplying by 1000 and 10,000. 13.618 multiplied by 1000. So what to do? Just shift the decimal in 3 ways. 1, 2 and 3 means decimal will be over. This is your answer. Next question is H. 0.000 125 multiplied by 10,000. Okay. So there are 4 zeros. So we will shift the decimal 4 digit 1, 2, 3 and 4 means the decimal will use after 2 and these 0 will be removed. So we will write 12.5. This is your answer. Understand?